Let's move to inheritance. Now, inheritance means the transfer of characteristics from one generation to the next one. If you have book, you can make notes on over there. It's where the definitions are clearly written. So, inheritance is the transmission of genetic information from one generation to another. Okay. Allele is the alternative form of gene. Okay. Okay, let's move to allele now because we have to talk about the inheritance now. Where is allele? Okay, here. Now look over here. This is type 1. These are similar. So if the alleles are same, then that would be known as homozygous. Homozygous. Homo means same and zygous mean alleles. Same alleles. Okay. This would also be known as homozygous. This would also be known as homozygous. This would also be known as homozygous. When they are different, means one capital letter and one small letter, then it would be known as heterozygous. Okay, hetero mean different. Zygous. Okay. Okay. Now we have to focus on this, on heterozygous. I'm going to tell you something related to heterozygous. In heterozygous, one allele can be dominant, means that would show its characteristic while the other cannot. It would be tall. This plant won't be short because capital T would be dominant. This plant would be yellow, not green, or not in between, because yellow is dominant. So we say dominant allele is the one which express itself. And dominant is the one which do not express itself. So small t and small y would be recessive. Hmm. Shall I give you one example? Okay. We say in eye color, dark brown color is the dominant one. Okay. And blue color is the recessive one. Okay. If both parents have, okay, if one of the parent have brown color alleles, both homozygous. Let me write brown and blue. Okay, I'm giving you a case. केस है आपके पास. Parent 1 has both brown. Let's say this one is dominant. B is brown and is dominant. Okay. Parent 2 has blue eyes, which is represented by small. Okay, this is recessive. Now, what do you think the color eye of color for the offsprings? How to make this now? There is one thing known as test square. Okay, it's a test square is easy to make as compared to the other form, though you can make the other form as well, but the test square or the Punnett square is the easiest one. Okay, let's write how many alleles can be formed from this? Two, capital B and capital B, and how many from here? Two, both small b. Okay, let's make a test cross for it. We'll make a square, and on these square we have to write the alleles. Let's write parent 1 allele here and parent B alleles here. Okay, now let's combine. It would be capital B small b, capital B small b, again capital B small b, and capital B and small b. So look at all the children. They all have capital B. It means they all would have brown color eyes. That one is a dominant one. Blue is recessive. Blue is not going to show itself. Recessive mean which do not show itself unless both are homozygous. Okay, I'm giving you case number 2. Let's say, let's have a mate between these two. Capital B small b, capital B small b. A cross between two. Capital B small b, capital B small b. Let's write capital B, capital B. Now 1 out of 4 mean only we'll write capital letter first as a general representation. Okay, now only 1 out of 4 children would have blue eyes. So the ratio here, the ratio is all 4. 100%, probability is 100%. Probability 100% brown. Here the probability is 75% brown and 25% blue. 3:1. Got it? So this is a general process to calculate what type of offspring, or calculate the probability in the offspring or the ratio in the offspring. You will definitely get 1 to 2 questions about this one in a paper. Okay. Shall we move to the next one? Since probability is not given over here, okay. Now the next case is codominant. This is like dominant and recessive. Okay. There is another case. Another case is codominance. I am giving you an example. If you cross red rose with white rose, what color is produced? Red rose into white rose. So the offspring would have pink color. Oh, haven't you observed ever? It is so. Yes, it can be done. If you are going to cross between the red and white, they will produce pink color. It's common. Okay. Okay. Now, as both are expressing, red is also expressing itself, white is also expressing itself. So this would be codominance, that both are dominant. Codominance, both are dominant. Let's talk about AB blood group. Now both are dominant. A is also dominant and B is also dominant. This is also a case of codominance. AB blood group and the pink color of the flower. Okay.